Just as I was about to leave, a large group of young girls, like curious birds, chattered and laughed as they encircled me. "What's your name?" they asked. I asked them their names, and their voices tumbled over each other in response. "Moye, Aya, Danny," they called out. Then the circle dissolved as the girls moved away, disappearing as inexplicably as they had arrived. I realized that prayers were starting, so I exited into the disputed streets of Hebron. I marveled at the joyfulness, trust, and curiosity of these young girls in this occupied territory, where right-wing extremists throw rocks at Palestinian children on their way to school.